Okay, so I made a thing in my Google Drive that there will be a link to in the description, where you can download a bunch of empty folders to organize your Retro Arcade. So just go there and download it. I have a downloads folder, so you can enable that in Google settings to automatically download this downloads folder, and then you can move it into your files. And this is where you save all your programs, like in mine. I have all that stuff there. And then the game files. ISOs is for disk files. So Xbox, Wii, PlayStation 1, 2, and P uses ISOs. And then for ROMs, it's all the ones that use cartridges or arcade games. So all the arcades, the MAME and Neo Geos, the Atari systems, the DOS games that you have. There's a video on how to play DOS games right over here. And then all the Nintendo ROM games like Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, Nintendo 64, NES, and Super Nintendo. Then the Sega consoles. After you're done downloading, I have it called Arcade Organization Folders. Just rename it to Arcade by right-clicking and clicking this, and then just call it Arcade.